We need a newer phone. Like and subscribe so I can get a newer phone and take my cats to the vet and we can pay my bills. You want to put the belt on there first before you get it all?
Yeah.
Not that I'm any expert, but I have this gut feeling that if you don't do it now, you're going to be mad later.
Yeah.
Let me get out of your way.
Oh,
Do-si-do. Okay. Speaking of do-si-do, we have like 4 friends that need to sell Girl Scout cookies. Those evil Girl Scout cookies. They're so delicious. Nope. Hold on, let me. Needs to come down. There you go.
okay.
Stella, baby. That's not your house. That's next door.
All right. Everything's back in place down there.
Oh.
Okay.
So now you're going to tighten it up. Can I let go of this? Because it feels like... Oh, yeah, I guess I can.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh. In a minute, we can turn it on. Just cut his engine. Did he just stall out? Is that what happened?
Okay, now it's actually getting tight.
Awesome. And then here's the other bolt for the top. I don't know if you need that yet. Alright, here, let me hold it and then you can bolt it in there. We'll switch places. I got a good hold on it. Or not switch places, whatever you want to do.
Well, because I'm left-handed.
Me too.
Yeah.
I know, I noticed that when you moved.
Here, let me in there.
Hold on. I'm holding it by this. You have the bolt?
Yeah.
Here's the ratchet. Socket. Jawohl. You're gonna need to pull back on it once you get it started, because there's a lot of slack. Oh, there you go. Sure you don't want me to hold it?
No, I got it. It's starting.
Oops. There you go.
Thank you.
Teamwork. That's how we win.
That one is a little bit more problematic.
Okay, that
Shit.
fell down. You're gonna have to go underneath and get. You're gonna have to go underneath and get it.
It didn't hit the ground.
No, it didn't. It's on top of the. It's in between the two pulleys beneath the alternator, where the power steering is, and that main.
Okay.
I saw it disappear, but I never saw it come out. So it's got to be up here somewhere. You see it?
I do not.
Awesome. I don't feel it anywhere. Oh, I hear it.
Yep.
I think I knocked it loose by accident. Fantastico. Okay, back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love the Marine Corps. I was never a Marine. Well, here, let me. Okay, I should have stayed where I was. Let me hold it back, and then you screw it in. Try it now. 2 finger pressure point.
You know what? I'm gonna have to loosen this one.
Why it doesn't?
I can't loosen that one with a socket.
See if you can get it now. It's right there. You're on it. Hold on, folks.
This is wiggling around too much to be. Where did I go? There it is.
Sorry.
That's all right. There we go.
You got it?
Yeah, I just had to pull it away from the bracket a little bit.
Ah, there's always a
Yeah,
trick,
now
folks. Like and subscribe.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Yes. All right. Here, I'll take that. And that's right, there was nowhere to pry.
You gotta lift it up from the bottom. Oh, no. Oh, okay. There you go. Sorry.
Oh no. It's all good.
Oh. Oh. It's like you didn't do anything. It all moved back. There we go. Oh.
There we go. Could you hold the rubber?
Yeah, let me. Just gonna suggest that. That sounds like we're making a lot more progress. You gonna let go? Or are you ready for me to let go?
All done.
Oh, careful.
And of blood, yes.
Oh, man.
Just a smidgen of it.
Yeah. Wouldn't be blood car work if it weren't blood and motor oil. All right, this is why I keep the first aid kit in the kitchen, not in the bathroom.
All right.
How badly are you bleeding?
Oh, it's just a nick. Just a wee little thing.
Okay, well, let's turn her over then and then get you medical attention. Huzzah! She already sounds better than yesterday.
Yep.
All right. That was the council's absolute hacks. Toyota Scion. Well done, Clay. I'm glad I could help and
Thank you for the help.
stick my butt in your camera. And I got lots of footage of your ass crack. Don't worry. By accident, at walking around, trying to get out of your way. So now we need to find out how much oil's in it and add more because it's very low. But other than that, she's running good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.